Alright, we've got a nice hot grill. I'm going to drop some halibut onto it for my food pairing with our 2016 Sauvignon Blanc. I don't take selfies, so hopefully this is a good distance. But yeah, we're going to do 2016 Sauvignon Blanc with fresh halibut, and I've got some green coriander seed from the garden, some other fun things from the garden. I've got some green peas and some beet greens, so we should be able to make a decent lunch with this. So here we go. The most interesting part of this video is watching a fish cook. But the other thing is, while you cook, you can have some wine. So I'm rocking a stemless glass for today. It's a little easier while you're barbecuing, rather than navigating around a stem. This is our 2016 Sauvignon Blanc, and we did some barrel ferment and about 20% stainless steel ferment on this, so there's some brightness to the fruit there. But I've decided to match it with some fresh herbs, and the green coriander should also have some spice. And there's a lot of butter in that pan of shallots, so you know, should be a good match. So the nice thing with my style of grill is that there's a little bit of smokiness to anything that you put on it, and it should kind of impart a little bit on the fish or whatever sauce I happen to be cooking. This sauce is going to be a bit experimental because I don't really use recipes. So, yeah, let's get back to it. I am going to toss my little green beans in that pan. Just give them a little bit of a stir around. This is also me using my left hand because I'm filming with my right. Gonna move that off to the side because it is hot on this grill. Oh yeah, look at those coals. Look at that fish. That fish is wonderful. So Oliver Eats makes a fish order every week, and we just order in whatever we need as we need it, which is perfect because it's nice to have some fresh seafood in the Okanagan. Just gonna give that a little flip here. Oh, it's a little stuck. Oh no! Just gonna give it a wiggle. Okay, so that one got a little ripped, but should be alright. Well, I know which one I'm going to be using for the finishing shot here.